So this is how you fix when your alternator belt squeals like no other. Come down here. This is a 99 Acura Integra GSR. Come down here. Your alternator is here. There's this bolt. I don't know if you can see it. There's a bolt in the front, and mine was missing it. That's why it was squealing. So you can move that out of the way. Once I got it in there, it doesn't squeal anymore. Start it up. Prove it. It's not squealing. Around. Put on the clutch. Gauge cluster. Do a little exhaust. A little in-cab exhaust. Alright. That should fix all your problems with your alternator belt squealing like no other. Thanks for watching.